Saya kalau idol ya, yuk kita main Tarkam. Oke sih, aku main karir ya, Jack lah. Lo main bagus loh, sabar lu, aku mau share dulu. Share. Nah, ini dia, di share dong. Yuk, oh ya Allah. Kita peringkat berapa nih di Liga Serie A? Peringkat 4. Boleh. Kita main yuk lawan Spal. Gak apa-apa lah, gak ada yang nonton, aku juga ini. Formasinya default. Dari sononya ya ampun, ini orang masih cedera loh. Ini aku udah lama gak main bola nih. Main perang-perangan mulu soalnya. Bikin aja diatur waktu itu. Timo Werner, Payet, Dimitri Payet. Aku beli pemain ini apa, bursa transfer gitu loh. Kalau apa FIFA tuh apa ya, karir lupa aku, karir soalnya lah.
Well, you recognise him, I know, but he's definitely on view today. The top scorer in the league, and it's live. Hi everybody, welcome to you all. Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith. Alan's been assessing the conditions. It's raining. Is that going to help the attackers, do you think?
Well, it normally does. Tends to lead to one or two mistakes from defenders. Looked at the forecast beforehand. I don't think this rain's going to let up.
BTW ini levelnya legendary ya, yang paling susah. Soalnya aku udah bertahun-tahun main main bola.
Well, yeah, I mean it's a tightrope for the player, obviously, with so much to go in this match. But the kind of challenge I think had to be punished. Yeah, two teams that have enjoyed decent starts, quite high up in the...
Lovely, incisive pass. Good vision here.
Ayo.
Got through, but the keeper picked it up in
Bagus
time.
Tuh, serangannya tuh. Oke, Atlanta aku.
Lazzari. Room now out on the wing. Looking for teammates in the middle.
Dong. Masuk kan.
They look like scoring they have now.
Sharp from the off. And what a good goal.
Jelek sekali.
So the first goal, it's 1-0.
Baru game pertama loh.
Payet.
Ya
Quick-witted
ampun.
and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Strong, fair challenge, balls out for a throw though.
Nonton, Pak.
Taking on the
Seru
defenders.
aja gitu kalau ada komen masuk lagi nih, enggak. Dia apa?
Time to get
Ke
the ball
belakang.
in.
Apa?
Proper tackle that.
Bilangnya kalau sebutannya kalau
Payet guiding it through the defenders.
set, oke, mantap. Crossing.
Put in
Werner.
from the wide area. Oh, that's good defending.
Susah tuh emang tuh kalau crossing begitu tuh di FIFA 19. Aku nggak tahu
That's
ya
an
kalau
easy
FIFA
cut
yang
out
lain.
for the opposition.
Pas
Saw the
juga
pass
FIFA
coming.
atau enak gitu. Kalau PES kan enak kan. Alah, ditempel 3 orang pak. Ah kan, curi kan. Kocak emang main. Nggak pernah ada benar main. Aduh, aku nggak nyerang main gini loh. Kocak.
Got the opposition backpedaling a little bit.
Akan.
Oh, he's away from his marker now.
Astagfirullahaladzim. 2-0 nih lo. Udah lama nggak main beginian, main game perang mulu. Dulu mampir kalau liburan tuh tiap hari main beginian. Misalnya kalau ngabuburit gitu, karena nggak berasa emang main bola tuh. Tahu-tahu udah sejam aja main. Cutback, shooting. Aduh.
Trying to find an opening, not panicking. Possession is the name of the game for this team. It's a good cross. It's not a cross that's caused the defence any problems, and certainly not the goalkeeper.
Yo. Mau terobosan susah banget ya. Terupas aja susah banget. Felipe.
Now they've got a chance in this part of the pitch. Loses possession.
Mid Liverpool 5 ya masalahnya ya. Tapi masih aja lewat gitu. Nice.
Well, this could be dangerous in a wide position.
Payet, masuklah. Astaga. Masuklah. Iya ampun. Gak masuk. Aduh, hoki banget ini tim ya. Astaga. Kena pala itu, pala siapa situ? Aduh.
In goes the corner.
Masuklah. Bodoh amat. Astagfirullahaladzim. Ini nggak masuk nih loh. Di depan mata itu bola loh. Depan mata nggak masuk dia. Astagfirullahaladzim. Susah ya. Sekali nyerang udah depan mata. Enggak gol. Zapata. Aduh. Udah bagus banget itu tadi peluang. 2 kali loh. Depan gawang.
Payet. Werner.
Aduh. Lazari. Oke. Nah, udah panas nih, udah mulai panas nih tanganku nih. Tadi pemanasan, bobolan 2 gol.
Good way to nick the ball back. Quick thinking.
Lah.
And that will be a goal kick.
Aman. That will be a goal kick.
Werner. I think the wide man's got a chance here. There's space out near the touchline.
Aduh, Zapata ya? Kalau Zaha mah yang di Crystal Palace. Payet.
Corner played in.
Corner lagi.
The crowd sensing momentum here. They want to see their team make the most of it.
Swung in from the corner.
Ayolah, gol lah. Masa nggak gol dari tadi?
They'll have to try again.
Peluangku banyak loh. Padahal.
It's a very good interception.
Shoot, masuklah, nice. Akhirnya masuk juga. Ambil bolanya ambil. Nah, akhirnya susah banget masukin gitu aja. Gol. Early goal sih tadi. Menit keempat atau menit ketiga tadi.
Opportunity in a wider area. They've blocked it then. Well, he got the power.
Lambung jauh di atas Mister.
Good, but not the accuracy.
Yeah, if you try from that distance, you've got to do a better job than that.
Tuh, aku 10 shoot loh. Terus pas ke sono kocak yang kanan itu. Bukan corner.
The referee has decided to award. This is the kind of pitch that I think attacking players favour, Alan, don't they?
I think they do, yeah, because it means mistakes from defenders and
alamak,
a bit of miscontrol, loss of footing, and you're in.
On the attack here.
Itu kalau karirku udah tamat ya yang My Journey. Kalau FIFA kan ada jalan ceritanya untuk Journey. Ya. Aku udah tamatin itu. Alamak, emang udah gak bakat, main beginian gak bakat. Udah main FF aja sono. Udah main Free Fire bang, nggak dulu lah. Aku kalau main Free Fire pingnya tinggi kalau sambil live stream.
That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting.
Nggak tahu kenapa juga. Kadang kalau sambil live stream tuh 500, paling kecil 200, 100. Nggak tahu juga tuh terakhir aku live streaming juga begitu.
It's not a cross that's caused the defence any problems, and certainly not the goalkeeper. Well defended, not just getting across, he thought quickly as well. That could open, let it shot go!
Untung aja.
Corner.
Siapa itu?
Trying to catch the opposition out with a short corner. A corner to come now. He's tackled the ball behind, really. Corner played into the middle. The shot's on. Zapata.
Counter attack.
Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going.
Kenapa mencetnya segitiga gitu? Cet silang aja loh.
Got the ball back by that interception.
Awas kartu merah. Kan.
Comfortable stop for Etrit Berisha.
Ya ampun. Pergi gitu aja nggak bisa loh. Bener gitu. Mak masuk lagi bodoh amat paksa. Main apa ini game apa sih?
I have to say it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals. I think the wide man's got a chance here. There's space out near the touchline. Going forward well. That's good support play from his teammates. Well, the cross doesn't get past the first man.
Main HP.
A signal here at the corner. Short corner designed to move the opposition around in the middle. Defender did well to get to it, but hasn't really finished the job.
Yo. Kosong tuh. Shoot. Masuk. Nice. Ambil ayo. Bisa yuk. Top corner.
It was a bit fortunate it flew up there from his point of view, but it was exactly the right spot.
Yeah, one word, Martin, unstoppable.
Plenty of goals for the fans here. 4-2. Off we go again. And the board has gone up to indicate 3 added minutes. Payet. Zapata.
Nice. Tinggalan kena kaki bola. Nice. Tuh cutback.
They've got themselves back on the ball. Bit predictable with the passing and the opposition able to deal with that.
Kalah body ya. Udah. Ini bisa 2 gol lagi sering. Napoli. Yuk.
And the referee has blown and the second half is now in progress.
Santai ya. Kenapa harus keblok gitu loh? Umpan yang benar. Kocak. Werner. Aduh. Pak.
Payet. Felipe. Lazzari. Here's a chance to trying to find an opening, not panicking.
Kalau main berdua nih seru nih.
Lazzari.
Tangkap.
Punched away by the goalkeeper.
Ditinju.
Well, what a player. What a performance in that first half, Alan.
On top of his game out there, and I'm sure he'll be thinking about grabbing his hat-trick in the second half.
Supporting player alongside. Very well read by the goalkeeper because the
benar. Aduh. Pelanggaran. Aduh, main tarkam ini. Kasar banget. Werner kartu kuning. Terus tadi si Payet kartu kuning. Siapa maju itu?
On the move and able to cut out the pass.
Bagus Kesin.
Good idea. Pass not executed with enough subtlety really. The run was a good one. Easy work for the keeper here.
Kalau PES itu gol itu.
Alan, what about Atalanta's next game?
Itu.
They're playing Milan in the next match in Serie A. The two managers have summed it up. I think there's not going to be much between them.
Milan lagi dah.
Werner and shoots. Tried to find the winning ticket in the raffle, but a couple of numbers short.
Yes, he took it early though.
And it's going to be a substitution now for this team. Transfer deal has been done. We've heard that officially from Paris Saint-Germain today.
Yeah, and I think both parties will be absolutely delighted. I think he'll have a successful career at his new club. Around £45 million. I think that's money well spent.
No apologies for focusing on this fella.
Well, the goalkeeper will be hoping
his
defenders can close him down a bit quicker because he has been peppering them in and scored.
And that's good support as they build this attack. Made sure the pass wasn't completed.
Aduh, kenapa ke situ loh? Temennya dijaga semua loh. Tuh, ditutup semua.
We've had an hour gone here and still 30 minutes left. Could get the ball into the box now. Well, in it goes. Well, it was a cross that he got in quickly, but he didn't really control. Chance for the cross.
Aduh, susah banget loh. Susah kali loh. Masuk lagi. Susah banget ya. Kenapa jadi di FIFA game susah-susah banget? Kan dulu main enak aja loh.
I have to say it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals. Werner. Cleared away by the defender. There'll be a signal here at the corner. Let's look at it again. In goes the corner.
Yo, Werner. Apa? Apa nih lo? Lah. Lah. Apa nih? Lah. Jalannya dia. Lah. Lah. Apa nih? Udah diem. Apa nih? Lah. Apa nih? Lah. Hah? Ya, tiba-tiba ganti pemain. Lah, tiba-tiba penalti. Oh, gak apa-apa lah, tiba-tiba penalti ya kan. Cuma nggak gol pula. Astaga, penalti nggak gol. Aduh, gimana sih? Main yang bener dong. Oh, penalti nggak gol. Zapata. Shooting. Lagi. Shooting lagi. Aduh. Salah sendiri, bah.
Safety first there.
Itu penalti loh.
Payet able to make a good interception.
Itu kan di belakang lu ada itu temen kocak. Kok ngarahin ke situ? Udah lah.
Just working away to try and find an opening.
Ya udah lah. Untung aja.
Well, a corner to come because of that deflection.
Coba mainin. Aduh, 20 menit lagi, gak mungkin sih sampai gol banyak gitu.
Put the corner in the middle.
Hey.
In quickly.
Ayo kocak maju.
Werner. Guiding it through. Just the keeper to beat.
Shoot, masuk. Yes. Assalamualaikum Pak, Joki hadir. Waalaikumsalam.
Well, if you got pace as this side have, you're always going to be a threat on the counter.
Iya, masuk juga loh. Yuk, 2 gol lagi. 5-3. Suara Miko kegedean nggak? Weh, sabar kocak. Oh, oke. Apa kabar Joki loh. Masuk lagi nih. Oh enggak. Telat gak? Ya elah, masuk lagi. Bodoh amat. Baru gol. Telat gak? Enggak sih. Baru 20 menit. Enggak kok, pas nih. Oke. Enggak, maksudnya suara gamenya nggak kalah sama Bikaku gitu. Takutnya kayak kemarin. Pasti nyeber gitu loh. Bisa kalah gini loh. 15 menit lagi. Ya memperkecil lah, ayolah. Lawannya cuma sepal doang loh. Kalah Mas Pal. Tuh, umpannya nggak ada yang bener loh. Yang bener apa toh umpan? Lama 63 pak. 63 pelanggaran lagi udah kayak main tarkam kita ya.
He's a bit disappointed. He's going to be taken off here, and the manager may be saving him for another day, but also allowing him to get the full appreciation from the fans.
Well, he was enjoying it. I don't think he wanted to come off, but
now he's on a yellow card already.
Lah,
what about this challenge?
Kuma, kok merah pak?
He's going to have to go for this. A second yellow card. He's off.
Kok kena?
having been booked
Kok
the
merah?
first time,
Aku nggak mencet apa-apa loh. Nggak mencet apa-apa tuh.
He's a silly boy. He'll get some stick off his teammates afterwards.
Aku nggak mencet apa-apa loh. Astaga. Udah main tarkam ini emang.
On the move and able to cut out the pass.
Yolah, majulah. Nah, gitu biar bisa terupas.
Now a chance to get a bit of width into this attack.
Alah.
Defender's done very well to clear that.
Dah lu nggak bakat dah main beginian. Kagak bakat main beginian. Pelanggaran terus. Udah main Liga 2 ini. Foulnya 5 loh. 5 kali foul loh.
Good defensive clearance there.
Kuma.
They've given it straight to the opposition. Pressed high here.
Ayolah, ya bener lah. Itu offside, yang passing. Nah, baru passing.
Coming up now, a corner. The ball's just deflected behind for that.
Wah, gitu susah.
We should thank these supporters, Alan, for the atmosphere they've created for us to work with today. And their reward for that is seeing their team win.
Yeah, and quite rightly.
Ada yang nonton satu nih. Ditinggal kayaknya.
To relax.
HP-nya. Atau enggak ada pergi? Belum refresh aja.
Great team play, Alan. This isn't it? Everyone wants the ball.
Yeah, and I think the movement off the ball gives the man in possession 2 or 3 options every time.
Pelanggaran lagi, Bo.
Given the free kick.
Pelanggaran.
Some big lads in that box waiting for a cross.
Pelanggaran terus. Taruh headset tuh copot.
Excellent interception.
Pelanggaran terus. Oh.
Chance for the cross. Trying to pick out someone in the center.
Alamak. Oh,
back off the bar.
Yang bener, kocak. Passingnya. Sampai kesel sendiri.
For sure is a goal kick.
Aku itu. Oke, mantap. Kamu kok tiba-tiba bukan kamu nggak suka bola.
Being closed down. It's not often you get at this level a game as one-sided as this. It's great for the team with all the goals.
Yolah, please lah, 1 gol lah, lagi lah. 1 gol lagi deh.
It's damage limitation in these closing minutes.
Yo, 1 gol lagi yo, bisa yo, udah. Selisih 2 poin aja nggak apa-apa dah. Udah lah, kartu merah terus. Itu kalau kartu merah dari tadi loh.
Well, the action is going to continue here. We've got 4 minutes of
added
time.
4 menit. Woi, bisa gitu lu bang, anak orang dipentalin. Kartu merah. Vicari. Tuh, merah tuh. Ye, kocak.
There's the interception.
Ya Allah.
Lazzari into the attacking third. Great interception. Good challenge.
Lebar. Passingnya kayak Indonesia kau ya. Kau main di Liga Serie A, pasti yang bener lah. Ah, udah.
Well, now they've got the
Dah lah.
ball, what are they going to do with it?
Kepencet lo, kepencet bulat. Astaga, mau mencet silang kenapa pencet bulat? Kocak. Nggak bisa sih 3 back sih, nggak bisa sih. Gua harus minimal 4 back. Merah lah. Main tarkam apa gimana sih? Kepencet bulat. Kenapa pencet bulat? Kocak. Udah lah. I'm done. Alamak. Final whistle. Udah kalah, dua-duanya kartu merah. Nggak dapat duit lagi kalau kalah kan. Udah bapak, masih ada next match. Nah. Oh, masih peringkat 6, Pak. Aman. Habis ini lawan Milan loh. Suspend kan. Werner sama Mancini. Nggak bisa 3 back, berarti kita minimal harus 4 back. Kita ke formasi 4-2-3-1 4-4-2 4-1. Enggak deh. Gini bisa sih sebenarnya 4-2-2-2. Ini bisa nih. Boleh nih 4-2-2-2-2. No. Continue editing. Squad. Alhamdulillah ya Allah. Werner. Kartu merah semua. Ya, RB kita nggak punya RB ya. Nah, iya dong nggak punya RB.